Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, it's an absolutely gorgeous Sunday morning and it looks like it's time to finally give this thing a little full send for you guys and show it off. See how it performs and you guys get to see what she'll do. Let's get this show on the road, boys. Super easy to drive, just like before. Can't even hear the turbo now with the muffler on it, sadly. But if you give it a little throttle, of course you can hear the turbo. Gives a little cute little puff out the exhaust too. But my neighbors don't like me to begin with, so no reason to bother them on a Sunday morning just yet. Me first.
Welcome to New Jersey.
Yeah, welcome to North Jersey, where everyone's more important than you. And they'll let you know about it. But that's okay. As you can see, I don't even need an engine brake since I have 410s. It's great for when you're towing stuff with no turbo, but to be honest, I think it's time to change the rear end. Now that I have the horsepower and the torque to maybe be able to pull something, I'm really sick of, as you'll see in a minute on the highway, you know, I'm screaming at 60, 65 miles an hour. I want to be at, you know, 15, 1800 RPMs in fifth gear. I'm cruising and I cannot. But I was just afraid that I was going to lose all my power if I changed the gear ratio in the rear. But now that I got a little ponies, or whatever you would call it, I can finally... No, I'm going the wrong way. Yeah, you're right. Oops. You're welcome. Anything for you.
Don't worry, we always obey the laws of the traffic.
Always.
The laws of the land.
The lay of the land. Let's see what she can do. See if she's capable of being on the highway. But you know, it's an OBS. Does not like being above 70 miles an hour. It gets that little vibe. Maybe it's this two-piece drive shaft. Maybe it's the garbage front end alignment. Who knows? But we'll figure it out. But man, does she go. Not bad for a barge. Boosted barge. just comes with the territory. But I don't even have kids yet, and I feel like a grandpa. It's great. I'm balding. It's all because of this truck. I'm telling you, you got to be an old person to drive the truck. My personality's the same. I've become just a grumpy old man, and I think it's this truck. Really, when I was driving my Jeeps around every day, I was a young buck, you know, full of fun, full of love, full of enjoyment, and then I started driving this thing and started growing this little thing off my face. You know, like I said before, can't grow any more hair up there. I'm finally getting chest hair at 25, you know, that's finally, but it comes to the territory of the truck, I guess. Before, I wouldn't even be able to do this hill in third gear, you know? I'm cruising up here in fifth gear, just lugging it. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Ooh, those EGTs though. Decent. 800, 900. Not bad. One of my favorite parts about it, since putting it back together and driving it, is it's literally the same thing as before. The truck acts the same, the temperature's the same, oil pressure's the same, charge is the same, obviously, electrically, but it's just, the EGTs are in perfect check, doesn't get anything higher than 900 degrees. That 18 centimeter exhaust housing really helps on this tiny little HX35. I'm making 23, 24 pounds of boost, which is the stock wastegate of a Cummins. So my plan is, after I do the clutch that can handle the power, I plan on taking the wastegate out of the equation, seeing what it does. If I'm not happy with that, I might turn up the pump a couple more flats. But honestly, it's doing so much more than I thought it would do. I thought it would be more like a stock power stroke, but a 7.3 power stroke, but honestly, it's doing really well and I'm happy with it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed coming for a ride with us, seeing a few side shots, enjoying the beautiful New Jersey air. Tune in next time and maybe you'll see us put a clutch in this thing.